channel. So in this video we are going to see how to add Chrome and Mozilla Firefox browser to your notepad++ so that you can easily run your code without any issue. So first of all, let's open notepad++. Here I have already added some code. So let's move on to run option, and under run option you can see Chrome here because I have already added Chrome. So first of all, let's delete it. To delete the shortcut, what you have to do is you have to move on to modify shortcut or delete command option. So just I click, and here you have to select Chrome and delete button. So select delete button or modify. You can also modify. Now I have to delete it, so I just click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete this shortcut? Okay. And now the Chrome is been removed. Now let's add our Chrome browser. So click on run, and you can see here rebel dotted icon. So just click on it and select local disk C. So you can see here program files 86. So please select program files, not program files 86. Select program files. Okay, and under program files you have to select Google. So please make sure that you have already installed Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, so that you can add it, because if you didn't install it you cannot add and you cannot see the Google or the Mozilla Firefox under program files. So let's select Google and select Chrome, and again select application and select, you can see Chrome here, and select Chrome again. So the path for your Chrome application is been added here. So now what you have to do is you have to simply add some codes. So just you have to type space and $sign and open bracket, close bracket. Inside the bracket you have to full underscore current underscore path. So it should be in full capital letter, and make sure there is no any spelling mistake. And after closing bracket you have to add another double quotation mark and save it. So you have to give a name. So I just put Chrome here and click on OK. If you want to add some shortcut you can also add it. Save, click on save. So if you want to add shortcut you can again click on save, and you can select your shortcuts, whether if you want to control, add shift, or add any numbers or letters, you can use it. So for now I don't want any shortcuts, so I just save, close. So let's see whether our Chrome is been added. So just go to run, and here the Chrome is being added. So just now without further delay, let's run and see whether it's working. So just click on Chrome. make sure you save the program. So hello world, the code is running, so the problem solved. So in the same way, you also can add your Mozilla Firefox. So to add your Mozilla Firefox, you have to again go to run, and under run you can see run, and you can add your path by clicking the dotted icon, and as the same way you added Google, you have to add Mozilla Firefox. But what you have to do is you have to access your program files and select Mozilla Firefox application, so that you can add your Mozilla Firefox under the run option. So simply you can add the both Chrome and Mozilla Firefox in this way. So I hope this video is useful for you. So many students feel difficulties while running their code without having the browser names. And I also have to mention another small thing. Some in the latest version you can see another option under view option. You can see another option, view current file in. So whenever you just place your cursor here, you can see some browser name here. So let's just check whether it is working. Normally it's working, so I have already checked with Chrome. So let's see whether Internet Explorer is working. So I have defaultly I have Internet Explorer in my machine, so just let's check. Yeah, it's working. So you also can use this way to run your code, but there is a small issue here. It takes time, and always you cannot do this because you will feel uncomfortable, because you have to go to view and drag your mouse here and select. So it takes time, right? So it is better to add the browser under your run option. And that's all for today. I think this video will be helpful for you, and thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.